Let's hope he doesn't peck away all night long. Could either be very soothing or very annoying. I spent the last 4 days in Olympic National Park. What a great adventure. The first night I camped out at Sol Duc Hot Springs, Lupe, campsite 12. It's a great campsite, had nice big tall trees, wonderful setup. I walked down to the Sol Duc Hot Springs Lodge and just found out some information about the hot springs, and decided to go back the next morning and soak in the hot springs. Three pools of hot springs at different temperatures, and they measure the temperature, I'd say like every 20 minutes, and update the board. I did get in the pool once. It was a cool, refreshing 68 degrees. After the soak in the hot springs, I went back to the campsite, broke everything down, got it ready to go, and then went on a run out on the Sol Duc Falls trail. Packed up all my stuff and headed out to Hoh Rainforest to meet some friends at Hoh Rainforest. We went to the visitor center and just got some amazing information. Kirsten is a big fan of making sure you always hit the visitor center, and I'm glad she pushed for that. Bryant went for a run, and the rest of us went and walked the Hall of Mosses, which I think is just a great name for a trail, particularly this trail, because it did feel like a hall. Like it was a temple almost of the different mosses, trees. We spent so much time looking at the details of mosses and lichen. It was a pretty cool, leisurely paced stroll through the Hall of Mosses.
Nice.
You want to take this?
Oh shit. Yep. All the way?
Yep.
Then the next day, which was Saturday, we went on a run on the Hoh River Trail. And Connor, Bryant, and Noel, all much faster, stronger runners than me, so they took off, and I lollygagged a little and took some video and enjoyed the massive trees. Oh my goodness, so much fun, such a beautiful trail. As we were coming back 6 miles into the run, we went down to the river and took a little dip. And man, that was much colder than the cold freshwater plunge I took at Sol Duc Hot Springs. But I'm really glad I did it. Felt amazing. Woo!
Well, damn it, now my toilet hasn't gone under, so here I go now.
Oniony.
Oh yeah, you guys need onions, I forgot. There you go.
Oh, sweet.
That's really good.
Is the hot dog warm? Okay.
And the cream cheese is whipped, and the onions are caramelized, and the buns are toasted.
And on Sunday, we drove over to the coast and got out and explored Ruby Beach and then went up to the Tree of Life.
Oh, look how they move. That's pretty cool.
That is cool. I want to make a move.
Yeah, touch one of the knives.
On your mark, get set, release. I'm getting it wrong. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, look at my guy. Look at my boat. I'm in first. Oh, it's closing.
Uh-oh.
Oh shoot, crash landing.
Oh.
We're gonna just remove this
Oh,
obstacle.
there we go. Release yours. Release the big one.
That was fun.
Yay.
What a
That
blast.
was great. I will do Driftwood Race.
So I saw these rocks over here, and so I went over to read them. And then I saw those, and then I looked around.
Oh, whoa, weird. Huh. At least they're on rocks, but
Here's one they brought from home. Nice painted.
kiss!
Kiss!
Hey, kiss again! They're like, no problem.
All right, that's enough. Quit kissing.
Okay, stop!
Easy there, but I was so short.
And I said goodbye to my friends, and I parted over here to the Sol Duc Rainforest Retreat for one night of solitude and a shower before flying back home. my little tent. I'm all packed up. Now I'm ready for a 3-hour drive back to the Seattle airport to fly home.
Now, I'm gonna go in for Tree of Life shot. I don't know.
What should I be having?
What? No, that was good. It's the look that you gave.
Okay.
That's the one you should have.